Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A ginger beige MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, brown eucalyptus wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Also included is smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. Touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. Dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLE 350 has 44,504 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, check out feldmanimports.com.